EKDB7S single-phase distribution board, designed for safe and efficient power distribution. Multiple way and layer options, with flush or surface mounting, meet diverse distribution needs. A metal enclosure with durable powder coating delivers a clean, long-lasting finish. Multiple knockout holes enable fast cable and conduit entry. The height-adjustable pan assembly supports flexible installation requirements. The reversible door assembly supports left or right hand opening for flexible on-site installation. Its modular design is compatible with ETEK Electric, MCBs, RCBOs, RCCBs, and isolator switches for a reliable distribution system. From residential to commercial spaces, EKDB7S delivers reliable power distribution for diverse applications. ETEK, always for your safety.